Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you and also tell you how you can change the clock widget on your iPhone screen. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. So let's get into this topic. And when you want to somehow change your clock on the lock screen, then first you will need to swipe down from the left side of your iPhone to go to the lock screen. Next, tap on the empty space and hold. Now at the bottom, go to this here option to change. You can also change the clock on some other wallpaper here, let's say. Next, select the lock screen. Now friends, you will need to click on the clock widget. And here what can you change? First, you can change the font of the clock itself, that is, how it will look like. Also, you can change the boldness, that is, either they will be narrow, or on the contrary, like this, for example. Also friends, you can change, for example, the color scheme of your clock. So you can choose the color that you like best. You can also adjust the color with this slider. And after you've adjusted everything you like, click on the blank screen. Then in the top right corner, Done. Then tap again on the lock screen. And now swipe up. This will bring you back to the working screen of your iPhone, and as you can see, the clock widget has now been changed. This is the way, friends, you will be able to change the clock widget on your lock screen on your iPhone. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful to you, friends. Please put your likes, write comments, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.